You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these. Respiration pattern, if you want to learn more about medicine, make sure to stay tuned. The name comes from French, French physician, Biot, with a silent T because it's French, okay? So Biot's, ignore the T because it comes from French, Biot's respirations or respiration patterns. Biot's. Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these. Respiration pattern, if you want to learn more about medicine, make sure to stay tuned. The name comes from French, French physician, Biot, with a silent T because it's French, okay? So Biot's, ignore the T because it comes from French, Biot's respirations or respiration patterns. Biot's. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.